Let me tell you a quick story. A few weeks ago, I kept seeing people online talking about this product. At first, I ignored it. I mean, the internet hypes everything, right? But eventually I tried it. And wow, the performance was incredibly smooth. The design felt solid in my hands. And using it was so easy, it almost felt unreal. I remember thinking, why didn't I try this sooner? And that's exactly why I'm telling you about it now. Because I don't want you to miss the same thing I almost overlooked. People everywhere are switching to it because it works. Plain and simple. No gimmicks, no complicated setup. Just something genuinely good. If you've ever wanted something that makes your life easier without making you think twice, this is it. Click the link in the description, check it out, and I promise you'll see exactly what I mean. Hold on, don't even think about scrolling. You're about to discover something. Let me tell you a quick story. A few weeks ago, I kept seeing people online talking about